This is URK 19CS1093, experiment number 10, file handling. First question, create a file named mysource.txt. Write your own profile into the file mysource.txt. Copy this file into another location and delete the file mysource.txt. So let's go to the program. So this is the first program. First, we have to import all these buffer reader, file input stream, file output stream, file writer, file reader, IO exception, input stream, reader, everything we have to import. Then inside the main class, we're giving public static void main throws IO exception. That's why we are importing IO exception here. We are creating a file, new file, f called mysource.txt, and we are writing using file writer and the variable called fw. We are writing, this helps to write inside the file, and we are writing the profile, the particular profile of a particular person, and then we are closing it using fw.close. Next is file reader. This will help us to read the contents in the file, and we are creating a variable, array character variable called input with size of 1000, and we are giving fr.read input. That is, this will store the contents, read the contents in the file and store it into the variable input, and it will print the input and fr.close, and we'll close fr. Next is, this is for another location, that is f2. We are creating another location with the same name but then different location, and we are writing the contents. We are giving the writing using file writer. We are giving the same contents, taking the same contents as in the first file, that is my source, and we are storing that into the input, and we are closing writer.close, and we are creating a boolean variable is deleted, where we'll store f.delete. That is, we'll delete the first file mysource.txt, and that will be stored into the boolean variable is deleted. Using an if condition, we'll check whether it is deleted or not, and if it is deleted, then it will print file deleted successfully, or else prints file doesn't exist. So let's run the program. So this is what this is the profile, and file deleted. It shows file deleted successfully. Now next question. Fourth one. Create a Java program to do the following operations. Write the following content into a file named first.txt. A stream is a communication channel that a program has with the outside world. It is used to transfer data items in succession. Create another file named second.txt with the contents which contains the following contents: an input or output stream represents an input source or an output destination. A stream can represent many different kinds of sources and destinations, including disk files, devices, other programs, and memory arrays. Now merge the content of above two files and put the same into another file called final.txt. So let's see the program. So this is the program. So first we have to input everything. Then inside the main class, we are creating a file. We are creating the final txt, and then we are creating our first file, that is first.txt, and we are writing it using file writer. We are writing the sentence which was given in the question, and we are closing using fw.close. Then we are reading the contents in the file using a file reader, and then this buffer reader is br equal to new buffer reader. This is for reading bulk reading. This is used for bulk reading. We are initializing a string variable s, and using a while condition, we are checking we are reading the line. that is each line in the BR, and then we are checking whether that is not equal to null. If this condition is true, then it will write the things in the string S. Now we are creating another file called second.txt, and we are writing it, allowing to write, and we are writing the given sentence in the question, and then we are closing using the close function, and then we are reading using file reader, and this is buffer reader is for bulk reading, br1, and we are giving another string s1, initializing another string variable s1, and again inside using a while loop we are checking whether s1 equal to, that is we will read each line in the content or in the file, and that will check that whether it is not equal to null, and if this thing is correct, condition is true, then it will write s1 and fw3, and we'll close fw3. Then this is initializing the bulk reader is for, buffer reader is for bulk reading, and that will be stored into, will read, that is this is for reading the contents in that is already merged into the file called final.txt, and we are inputting a array character array with size 5000, and we are storing the contents into the variable input, and we are printing the input. So let's see the output. So see this, both the sentences of different files have been merged into a single file called final.txt. Thank you.